The loudest person in the room is the most insecure one and rarely get respect. Be silent, shut up, and don't match energy, lead it. Respect isn't given, it's not even earned, it's actually engineered. And if you ever felt like you're being interrupted, overlooked, underestimated, or just plain invisible, this video will hit like a spiritual slap, because I will give you, like, not your usual self-confidence tips, but a dark psychology level strategies used by world leaders, CEO, recruiters, like people with power, to make people instantly respect them. And the best part is you don't even need to raise your voice. Number one, own the first 5 seconds. Meaning, when you walk into a room, it fires a micro hierarchy in under 5 seconds. Your brain scans the room and the people in it. Can I own them? Should I fear them? Can I feel safe around them? All of that. So the game is already set. All you have to do is own these 5 seconds. When you walk in slowly, talk slowly. For eye contact, yes, you do have to do eye contact, but more like calculated, okay? Or you are slow, calm, calculated. This trigger the social presence bias, the same effect used by world leaders and CEO and people with power. They give us this vibe unconsciously by how calculated and balanced they are. The slower your reaction will be, the higher your perceived value will be. Number 2, silence is a power, not a weakness. Ever notice that the loudest person in the room is the most insecure one and rarely get respect, while the person who is slow, who talks and pauses mid-sentence, who is not afraid of silence, who listens to other people, is the one who gets the most respect? Because the people who are not afraid of silence are often the ones signaling control and telling the nervous system of people, like telling people and their nervous system that I am here not to perform but to hear you, to make you feel validated. So when you are in a social setting, ask questions and then be silent, shut up, and people fill the silence, let them talk. The moment they scramble, they overtalk, they over explain, you basically flip the power dynamic to your advantage. Number 3, and this one is my favorite, use reverse validation. Meaning, want to instantly get someone's respect and become their new obsession? Don't validate them easily. Instead, subtly challenge their identity. Don't validate them immediately. Make it a value exchange. This, like, high ego people lean in instantly to try to prove their worth to you. Triggers, neurologically speaking, the cognitive dissonance loop. Meaning, these kind of people will see your approval as valuable because they didn't get it easily. They worked hard to get your approval, so they will respect you. Don't match energy, lead it. Meaning, leader don't match energy, they influence it and they set the tempo. When they walk into a chaotic setting, they are calm. When they walk around low energetic people, they are quite intense. When they are like around gossip or something, they are calm. They don't match the energy, they lead it. They become the dominant energetic frequency in a room, and people follow subconsciously whoever they can emotionally and subconsciously regulate around. So when a calm person enters a chaotic setting, the people there will follow the calm person because this person subconsciously can regulate their nervous system and influence the energy in a room. Able to influence the energy of a room and make it better and make people emotionally regulate around you subconsciously. That's influence, and that's how you make people subconsciously respect and follow you as a leader. 5, protect your no like a throne. No one respects a person who is easily influenced to change their decisions based on people's comfort. Okay, so every time you say yes out of guilt, out of people pleasing tendencies, you teach people to think your boundaries are negotiable, and no one respects that. So the next time someone pushes you to do something, just say no, that doesn't work for me. Protect your no. You don't need to explain, you don't need to feel guilty about it, you don't need to chase people's approval and validation. Every time you say no, you will teach people and reprogram their subconscious of you and make them respect you by your emotional firmness. Hack number 6, use the discomfort echo. This one is cool and calculated and pretty chill. The next time someone interrupts you, mocks you, don't argue. Literally look them dead in the eye and then repeat what they said to you with eye contact and calmly. Meaning, for example, مثلا say, so you're saying I'm not smart enough to do that call? Now wait, let the echo do the damage. Shame activation, especially in narcissistic or dominant personalities, you basically mirror their energy with surgical discomfort and without losing your cool. Understand something, you don't fight for respect, you create psychological consequences for disrespect. Respect isn't about being liked, it's actually about being unfuckable with. Like people يحسبولك ألف حساب. To master these tricks, you won't even have to fight for respect, you will naturally radiate it. So if you're done letting people walk over you, underestimate you, or make you feel invisible, hit the subscribe button and I will see you next time.